Hello. So my friend Brandon from high school has made a series of YouTube videos of him doing kind of ordinary things extraordinarily. My favorite is his snowblower video. I mean, I watched the 20-minute video he had on that and it was amazing. I never thought I would say I miss snow, but man, he made it look so cool and so much fun that I want a snowblower again. Okay, my wife will kill me if I say that. Now, also, I have to use Screencastify for school for some of my virtual kids, so I'm going to use this to practice using the software. So, bear with me. I am an extremely amateur weather forecaster. After seeing a lot of posts on Facebook about people freaking out about snow and cold, I figured let's show you what the GFS models are showing right now. Even though the forecast will change, they've been pretty consistent that on Monday and Thursday it's going to be snowy and icy here and extremely cold. They've been talking about that for a while, and it looks like they're starting to really come together about what's really going to happen. So the time to panic is not now, but it is time to be prepared. So let me show you what's going on. Now, first thing you need to know about forecast models is that they go by Zulu time, and Zulu time is 6 hours ahead of Central time. So this forecast is valid for 12 p.m. today. So let me show you what's going on. And I'm going to focus in on Northwest Louisiana since that's where I live and that's where a lot of my Facebook friends are. I'll keep Texas up too so you can see it, but this is what they think is going to happen in the next coming few days. So let me get this started. I'm going to start on Sunday afternoon, or excuse me, late Saturday night. And here is 3 a.m. on Sunday. You see some light freezing drizzle, maybe some mixture of sleet and snow for the Shreveport-Bossier area here, Caddo Parish, Bossier Parish, DeSoto. And it's very light right now, which we can manage. And by about 6 p.m., it's gone. But here comes the big wave in West Texas coming through. This is 6 a.m. on Monday, and you see that freezing drizzle, that sleet, that mixture of snow is starting to come in, and it's going to continue straight through the day. It's looking like it's mostly going to be sleet at this time. Now, of course, that could change. It could go further south. We could get just more ice. But you see South Louisiana is looking like it's going to have a lot of ice too to deal with on Monday. So then by Tuesday, it's cleared out, and that's the first wave. But then here comes Wednesday at not 3 a.m., 9 a.m. You see the ice starting to form in deep East Texas. You see the snow line here just north of Texarkana, and this is where it gets interesting. You see the red is freezing rain. For southern Caddo Parish, it still looks like a mixture. In DeSoto Parish, it's looking like it's going to be mostly freezing rain. You still see snow, and it's just going to be a nice mixture of freezing rain that switches over to snow at the back end. And by about 6 a.m. on Thursday, you see it's pretty much done, and then it clears on out. And that's going to be lots and lots of fun for us because, people don't know how to drive in the snow. They don't know how to drive in ice. They should just stay home, but they probably won't. And here's what they're thinking right now for the snowfall. So here is, by the time we get done with everything, 5.7 inches in Shreveport-Bossier. I don't really think that these areas in East Texas and Southwest Arkansas will get 15 inches of snow. I mean, it's entirely possible, but I highly doubt it. Of course, today's Thursday, and this is almost a week out. So the further away from when it's supposed to when it's going to be, the less accurate this is. I mean, this probably wouldn't surprise me too much with two different storms. Highly doubt this, but we'll see. You never know what's going to actually verify. But the other thing that really has me concerned, even though I'm a Wisconsin boy, is the ice accumulations. I mean, you're seeing down near Alexandria and Natchitoches over an inch of ice, and just about an inch of ice here in Shreveport. That is the part where you see down power lines, down trees, where people will lose power and heat, and this could be the scary part. So this is why we do need to be prepared to keep an eye on things, because this ice is no joke. I've learned the hard way that ice is no joke after my friend Gabe and I slid out on the highway and almost died 15 years ago. So if this is really going to happen with this much ice accumulating on top of snow, and then snow covering it, it's going to be pretty dangerous, folks. So please, please, please be careful. The other interesting part is the cold that's coming through as well. They've been talking about an Arctic cold coming down, and it's definitely getting interesting here. So let's take it to Tuesday. This is where it's going to be our coldest day. They're talking record lows. Here is 6 a.m. on Tuesday. 9 degrees. 9 degrees in Shreveport, Louisiana. I've never seen it that cold here in 12 years. The coldest I think I've ever seen it was 15 or 16. 3 degrees Texarkana, below zero in Oklahoma. I would not be surprised to see that since we're only a couple days away from this. 9 degrees here. 18 now down towards Baton Rouge. 13 down towards Lafayette and Lake Charles. It's going to be cold, folks, so be prepared. And if we lose power, I hope you have some other backups because this could get really interesting. And, of course, the wind chill. That 6 a.m. time frame, we're talking about a wind chill of about 4. Minus 13 in Texas, the negative 20s up in Oklahoma. I'm going to say, dear Wisconsin, your weather is getting drunk and is about to come stand on my porch. Come get it now before it gets here. Please. Please, 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 please. So that's all the data I have right now to show. I mean, if you really want to know more, just Google pivotal weather, and you can look at all the different models. You can see what they're thinking. And get ready, folks. It's something to be prepared for this weekend because we don't want to get stuck in bad weather and not be prepared. So this was Timmy's very, very extremely amateur weather forecast. Don't tune in if you want me to continue these. Please tell me I'm an idiot by not watching it, not liking it, not commenting, or do so. I'm happy to share my very little bit of knowledge, just enough to be dangerous. So have a good day, guys. I'll talk to you later.